quick introduction to the Folium module in Python. Folium is a module for visualizing plots and maps. It's based on the leaflet JSON script library, and basically this module is very similar to the leaflet package in R that I already provided some examples on. So if you look around on my blog, you will find a lot of posts on spatial data visualization in R, and I wanted to provide some posts related to Python as well, which is why in this video I give a brief introduction to Folium, and you can also find the coding example by clicking on the link in the description of the video. In follow-up videos I will go more into detail with specific visualizations done with the Folium module. So here I import Folium and I create a base map using the map function. So this is a base map from OpenStreetMap. Those are the basic tiles, the default tiles for this map. This map function has various parameters. For example, you can specify the location to center your visualization around a specific set of coordinates using latitude and longitude coordinates. And you can also set the level of zoom. So this zoom start parameter that you can specify. Here I set it to 3, indicating here the zoom level to be equal to 3. Then you can also change the style of the map. This is done by specifying the tiles parameter. Here you can see I set tiles equal to stem and toner. So there are a set of tiles that you can choose between, and you can set the desired tiles by specifying the tiles parameter. In this case, you can see specifying the tiles parameter turn it into the style that you can see here. Okay, so then you can also add markers using this Folium module. Here I start by creating a map, and then I create markers using the marker function. Also here you have to specify the location of the marker, and then you can specify various parameters. For example, you can add a pop-up string. So I guess when I click on my marker here, the pop-up text will pop up. You can also set the icon and various other things. And then you can add the markers using the add to function to the map object. So you can see here I created the markers, I added to the map, I then display the map, and here's the marker on the map. And as I said, here's another example. I create another marker, and this time I use the icon parameter, and I forwarded it an icon object created with the Folium module, which allows me to, for example, also set the color of this customized or this specific Folium icon object, and also the icon category. So here, for example, I want a cloud icon, and then I can add this additional marker to the map, display my map again, and now I have 2 markers here. Yeah, this is just a very basic example. In follow-up videos I will give some more specific videos on some more specific visualizations.